See, in front of you I am making like this. It is not coming down. See, I am doing it with full, both the hands. See, the visor won't come down. When you want to close it, then only it will come down. This is the helmet. See, it falls down easily. See, it is falling down. This side also is a Allen key. You have to tighten it with Allen key. After a number of operations, it falls down like this. When any hump comes, when the bike goes through the humps, it will fall down. Again you will lift, again fall down. Again you lift, it will fall down. Then you have to tight this with the Allen key. This is the shape. So when there is no Allen key, then how we will tight this? When it becomes, every time we will do, you tight it little bit, again it will become loose. So I tell you one simple solution. Let us fix this. There is no need to use Allen key on any side. See, this side is already gone. See, this side is already gone. It is slipping. This is slipping. It is not getting full tighten. It is slipping. So let us do what we can do. Remove this. Remove this. Likewise, remove this side also. This side also. Now I tell you what to do. Take 4 small screws like this. This much. Small ones. And 1 nail like this. Now let us see what we can do. Take these 2. Hit the nail. Now make the hole here also. Here one side and here and opposite side. Little bit. I will show you. Then you tight it fully. Let it come through this side. Tight it fully. Let it go fully. Yes. It has come. Now this one. Both gone inside. Now place it here. One side is over, other side also follow the same procedure. Put this side also. Yes, it is tightened. See, this side is also tightened. This side is also tightened. This side is also tightened, and this side is also tightened. It is full tight now. You can feel. See, full tight. It won't fall down. So whenever it becomes loose, see. Whenever it becomes loose, you can tight it according to your need. See, this is tightened. So see, it will never fall down. Why? Because see, if I am hitting it, it is not falling down. I have to close it like this whenever I want. Whenever I want to lift it, I will lift it like this. See, on both the sides. Now, these are sharp. Now, these are looking sharp. What we can do, I tell you. These 2 are sharp. So it hurts us. So what we have to do for this, I tell you. This is the grinder wheel cutting. I am placing this. What I do, I cut it. Yes, that much is enough. You don't need this much. And cut this also. Now the sharp edges are removed. After that you grind it little bit. No sharp edges. Do the same thing this side also. See, the sharp things are removed. See, these are the extra pieces we removed. Now you can tighten it fully. For further finishing, so these are the small files I have. Take a flat file or any file, this file or this file or this file maybe, and grind it like this. So sharp edges will be finished, will become smooth like this. Now there are no sharp edges like this. You file finishing, so nothing will happen. Now it is full tightened. Now our job is done. When I open it, it will stand with a good grip. This is very simple. Anyone can do with their helmet. Nobody can observe this also, because why, these are so small but easy to turn. These points will go and sit, must go and sit into these slots like this. How tight it is, see. Very tight. When you go through the humps, it will not fall down. As it becomes loose, it will not fall down. Now the key is in our hand. While riding the bike also you can tighten it. Now it is fully tight in condition. Now I am shutting it. Then only it will shut. When I want to open, it will open. See how tight it is opening. See, you can see the effort. Now it is open. See, in front of you I am making like this. It is not coming down. See, I am doing it with full, both the hands. See, the visor won't come down. When you want to close it, then only it will come down. I hope this video is very useful. Let us meet again.
Red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it this time, blurry street lights,